DRG Kids.
Story: Jealous Rukmani. In the village of Rajapur, there lived a businessman named Karorimal. He had two wives. His first wife Radha was very polite and matured by nature, but she had dark complexion. His other wife Rukmani was very beautiful. She was very proud of herself. She never behaved well with Radha. She loved dressing up and looking good, whereas Radha did all the chores at home.
Hey Rukmini, I have been calling you since long, but you don't answer. Where are you?
Did you call me? I did not hear you.
I did not call you. Please listen carefully. I didn't call you, I called Rukmani.
Oh, I guess I heard you wrong.
Yes, maybe. But where is Rukmani?
She's setting her hair now. You can tell me what you need. I'll get it for you.
Rukmini suddenly comes there and she misbehaves with Radha.
Oh, I was just a little late and you're talking ill about me.
No, I did not say anything bad about you.
Leave it. Don't defend yourself. You said I'm busy doing makeup the whole day.
I didn't say anything like that.
What else is there to say? I understand what you try to say always.
What are you saying? And how much do you want to lie about me?
Oh my god, has it come to this? You're proving me to be a liar in front of him. Only this was left to be told.
Please listen. Listen to me, Rukmini.
You also keep quiet, Radha. I do not like quarrels.
Am I quarreling or is she quarreling?
Stop arguing unnecessarily and go away from here and do your work.
Okay, tell me, what do I have to do?
Go and get a pan for me.
And listen, do not put too much of tuna in anger, else his tongue will split.
Now what are you looking at? Go away from here.
Poor Radha leaves from there.
Come, Rukmani.
Leave it. I understand everything.
Oh, listen to me now. I have to tell you something important.
What is it?
Tomorrow morning I'll go away for business and will return only after a month from this national and international tour. But you do not tell this to Radha. If I see that black ugly woman's face before going out, I will suffer huge losses in my business.
You are absolutely right. I have seen a lot of ugly women, but no one like her.
Poor Radha overhears all this and says,
What are they saying? I will leave this house and go away as soon as possible.
The next day, Karorimal sits on the bullock cart and tells Rukmani,
Goodbye. Take care of yourself. I'll be back very soon.
Yes, I will take care of myself. But you don't forget to bring silk saris and gold and pearl necklace for me when you return.
Rest assured, Rukmani. You just take care of yourself and do not worry about anything, okay?
Rukmani comes inside and seeing Radha sitting there, says,
What evil plans are you making sitting here idle like this? And don't show me your face early in the morning.
Why will I think of evil things? It's bad to think evil for others.
Okay, now shut up and finish the household chores immediately. Sweeping, mopping. Do I have to remind you again? Go and quickly finish all the work.
Radha cleans the entire house, sweeps and mops the floors, then makes the food and then cleans the dishes. Rukmini just keeps ordering her around. Rukmini is standing in front of the mirror and setting her hair when Radha enters her room.
Can I help you with anything?
Rukmini tells Radha to comb her hair, but she says that not one hair should break. But while combing, a few hairs break.
Why are you pulling my hair out? Go away from here.
Sister, while combing, some hair do fall out and stick to the comb.
I understand everything. You want to pull my hair out and make me bald. I will teach you a lesson today.
And then she starts pulling Radha's hair with both her hands. Radha starts crying.
Leave me, Rukmini. It's hurting a lot. After today, I will never touch your hair.
Rukmani pulls out a few strands of hair from Radha's scalp and she laughs at her loudly and she makes fun of her.
No, I will not stay here anymore. You take care of your own house. I'm leaving from here.
If you want to go, then leave. You will finally come back here. And when you come back, just see what I do to you.
Radha walks in the jungle. Right then her eyes fall on a tree. There is a lot of dirt near the tree.
Oh no, it's so dirty here. I'll clean this place before leaving.
Then she cleans the dirt and then the tree speaks.
Who are you, my child? I am very happy to see your kind nature. May all your miseries go away. May you always be happy.
Radha folds her hands and thanks the tree and walks ahead. After walking a little while, she sees a priest sitting under a tree in meditation.
It's my privilege and honor that I get to see such an honorable priest here. Please bless me, dear sage.
Who are you, my dear? And what are you doing here in this dense forest?
You are so knowledgeable, Father. You know everything. Please have mercy on me, Father.
Dear, there is a river nearby here. Take only one dip in it.
Certainly, Father. I'll do whatever you ask me to do.
Radha goes to the river and takes one dip. And she becomes very beautiful. And her hair also becomes thick and black. She goes back to the priest and falls on his feet.
What are you doing, dear? Get up.
Is this all mine, Father?
Yes, dear. These jewels, this gold, these ornaments, all of it is yours. No matter how much you take out, they will never get over.
But why did you give these to me, Father? I don't want any of it.
No, dear. I have given these to you seeing your innocence. Go and live your life in happiness, my child.
Bowing her head, she returns back to her house. When she reaches home, Rukmini is stunned upon seeing her.
Rukmini, did you not recognize me?
Oh my God, what am I seeing? How did you become so beautiful? And how did your hair become so thick and long?
Radha narrated the entire story to Rukmini.
Oh, is that so? Now I will also go to the jungle and come back with more beauty.
She leaves for the jungle. On the way, she sees the same tree.
Listen, child. Please clean here a little bit.
Am I your servant?
She goes forward without paying any heed and reaches the priest under the tree.
Gurudev, make me more beautiful than I am. Where is that river?
Dear, the river is on that side. But be careful. You must only take one dip.
Rukmini goes to the river quickly and takes a dip in it. On taking a dip, she emerges out with a fairer complexion. She becomes more greedy. She thinks if one dip can make me so beautiful, I should take another dip. She takes another dip. Upon taking the second dip, she emerges out with dark complexion and her hair falls out too. She goes to the priest whilst crying.
Gurudev, Gurudev, see what has happened. Why did this happen to me?
You are not just greedy. You are scheming and jealous too. This punishment was your destiny. Now spend your entire life like this.
Please forgive me, Gurudev. Please forgive me.
This way, Rukmini stayed in the forest and spent her entire life. And Radha lived happily ever after with Karodimal.